Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I hope you enjoyed my little serenading for you. I thought it would be cute, but today we are going to be doing a furniture flip because the last video I did was a thrift flip. But recently my roommates and I have been bored in quarantine. So we've actually been doing this before quarantine, but basically what we do is drive around just like a bunch of neighborhoods, and we look for furniture. So we find furniture on the street, we bring it home, and then we get like paint for it. We get new like knobs for drawers and stuff like that. And we just like fix it up and resell it on Facebook Marketplace. So I thought it would be just a cool thing to share with anyone else who's super bored and wants to make a little extra money. I will say that not everyone is wanting to buy furniture right now, whether they want to save money or they just don't feel comfortable buying furniture that people have had in their homes, which is totally understandable. But we've been fixing this furniture up to sell for whenever we can. I don't know, we'll see when it sells, but it's honestly just really fun and we just have a good time doing it. We play some music, we paint, and it's just like a fun, productive thing to do that kind of makes you feel like you're doing something amazing. So I thought I would share this experience with you guys if anyone else has been wanting to try this, and I hope you guys find it interesting. I did it with my two roommates, Taylor and Mary Elizabeth, so shout out to them. Yeah. So if you guys do like this video and you want to see more things similar or any other video, please make sure to comment down below what you want to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be a part of whatever this community is. I don't know. My channel's really weird and I'm struggling to figure out what I want to post these days, but I have so much extra time to do it. So yeah, if you guys like want to see anything, just like let me know. Just, you know, let me know. Like, just let me know. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you later. This is Taylor and I. So we're painting this little toy bin, not toy bin, it's like a mudroom storage bin type thing that we found on the side of the road. We have it propped open so we can like paint the top, but we just like sanded it so you can see that like the wood's kind of showing through a little bit, but we're painting it this color. And then this is also another piece that we did right here. We bought this, how much was this one? The dresser? It was $75, so we all just like split the price 3 ways. But we like replaced the knobs on there, so it has like these gold knobs now, so it looks a lot cleaner. And we just like painted over it with the same color. And we staged it so we could post it on Facebook Marketplace. So so we finished painting our first coat. And I think we're gonna let it dry because it's kind of streaky. I don't know if you can see, like right here. So we're gonna let it dry and then like sand it and then paint another coat on it. So our second project is this little lamp that we found on the side of the road. Excuse the mess on the couch. We have barkeeper's helper on it right now to try to get some of like the staining off the brass. So we're just gonna remove it and hopefully it'll be like shiny. Yes. It looks so much better. So we just staged this little setup over here. This is the dresser that we painted like last week and then put like the knobs on. So we just made it look like it was like in a bedroom even though we're in our living room. And we put like a candle and stuff on there, and then we have this little painting up here. And then we just put the light over here so that when we like take a picture of the light, it'll look cute to put on Facebook. It looks really good with the like the gold mirror.
I wish I could put it up higher.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. Yeah, the gold looks good with like this like. I just stepped in paint. Ew. No. We've been DIYing everything. Taylor DIY'd her pants. I DIY'd this. Quarantine makes us crafty. We have Brooke's video on in the background because we love her. She keeps us entertained. So Taylor is staging it right now. She's just taking pictures of the way that she set it up. And the lighting is perfect. Just turn it on. So then after we like take pictures, we just like make sure it looks good if we need to edit it at all without like altering the color of it. So she just took pictures from like different angles so you can see like every part of it. I thought I would pop in and show y'all my pimple. Okay, so Taylor just found the exact same mirror, and it's $712, not mirror, lamp, and it's $712. Is that a joke? Holy crap. Mid-century 1960s lamp? No way. So we also found this thing. Basically, it's like a little wicker basket. It's really nasty inside. There's like a dead spider. That's gross. I don't like that. But we're gonna clean it out. And then the top of it is like cushiony so you can sit on it. I feel like this would make a really cute like desk little bench, and you can like keep stuff in it. And I really like the white wicker design. So we'll probably just like wipe that top part off a little bit and then clean inside. So we're staging this little storage basket. Taylor's taking pictures of my room. We just put it in front of my desk to make it look like a stool. Also, I'm not selling this, but I found this mirror yesterday that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. That's really cute. Thought I would throw that in there. Pretty sure it's an antique one. And I found this little mirror at Goodwill that I'm just keeping my stuff on. Alright, so we're about to do a second coat on the storage bench because it's still a little streaky, so here we go. This is so satisfying. Alright guys, days later, and we're finally finished with this little toy bin. So Mary Elizabeth and I staged it. Say hi. Hi. Taylor was like the only one in the beginning of it. We put it in the same spot that we had that dresser in, and we just like put a little blanket and pillow and a little teddy bear on it. It's so cute. To make it like a little like kids toy bin. But the color is really nice. We used the same paint that we used to paint this, and it's like a pretty grayish white color. So yay! We did it.